What is up, guys? Today we are going to be seeing if we can air fry popcorn. Is that even possible? What happens when you try to air fry popcorn? Of course, I'm going to be taking it out of this brown bag, microwave bag. I'm going to be putting the kernels directly into the air fryer. Because obviously if I put the bag in there, that would be a disaster, right? So let's go ahead and get started. So I have the popcorn bag here. I'm gonna go ahead and open it up here. Scissors, because how else you gonna cut open a bag of popcorn, right? Set that to the side. I took the little grate out. I just want to have. That's what the inside of a popcorn bag looks like before it pops, huh? That's interesting. I guess that's like the butter flavor. So we got it in there. We're gonna see what happens here. I'm gonna say probably, I don't want to burn it, so 300. Never done this before. It's probably a good starting point. Or Redenbacher. Not sponsored, but that's what's in there. Oh my gosh, I hear popping. Guys, this is actually working. No way. I smell it. I smell it, that's for sure. Look at that. We have popped kernels. That's alright. Look at that. Look at that. It worked. This is awesome. Not as much butter as there normally is. Probably because most of it cooked off. So I have the popcorn right here. And we're gonna do just a little taste test here. Piece of popcorn. Can't really see it that well on camera. You don't want to focus on it. It's not as buttery as I hoped it to be, but I guess I could add butter on it if I wanted to. It's pretty good considering I made it in an air fryer. Do I recommend it? No, I don't recommend it. Like, if you have a microwave and you have the microwave bag, just make it in the microwave. It's like flavorless, you know? But, I mean, it cooked pretty good. Cooked really good, actually. There's... See that? Alright, what's up, guys? I'm going to be making some G Fuel. And I'm going to be mixing the lime margarita with the classic watermelon to make a watermelon margarita. So let's go ahead and crack right into it. Already got my water. So I'm doing half a scoop in each one. I really like both of these flavors. So putting them together, probably a good idea. Who knows? About half a scoop on there. Watermelon, bam. Half a scoop of the margarita, bam. Can't get the lid to cooperate. There we go. I'm just gonna put the lid back on. We're gonna give a real good shake. It smells amazing. Yeah, that's really good. The lime watermelon margarita. Oh, oh yeah. Me and James would Just Jump this past weekend. Go ahead and check it out. Right. Do the transition thing to show the video. Yeah.
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to visit. I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, and this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do anything? But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? My strife, my right to fight, to die on. And this is my game to play, to claim a brand new name, And I ain't gonna lie to you, I'm a bit nervous that I might screw everything up that I've ever done. But what's the point of living if you ain't having fun? I guess I'll try this, try that, might miss, gotta find what I'm good at. I guess I look here, look there, over where am I scared, where am I at? I gotta make it in this life, whatever makes me happy, know I'm doing things right. Sipping in the summer on a goose and Sprite, or find a nightclub for the end of the night, And we all got dreams, we all want things, but what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be?